In this video, we will be discussing the 4 management tasks. Every successful manager has 4 important jobs that help keep their team on track. Without these tasks, even the best business can struggle. Imagine you are the manager of a local store. You need to decide what needs to happen, organize all the details, guide your staff, and make sure everything runs smoothly. That's where the 4 management tasks come in: planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. Planning is the starting point. It's about deciding what you want to achieve and the steps to make it happen. A good plan sets clear goals, a timeline, and prepares for any problems. Once you have a plan, you need to organize. That means putting things in place, using your resources wisely, and making sure everyone knows their role. Leading is about inspiring your team to do their best. A good leader communicates clearly, encourages teamwork, and sets a positive example. Controlling means keeping an eye on progress to make sure everything is going according to plan. If something goes wrong, you step in to fix it. When you use all 4 management tasks together, planning, organizing, leading, and controlling, your store runs smoothly, your customers are happy, and your team succeeds.
And that's a wrap on today's fascinating journey through the world of knowledge. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of curious minds. We can't wait to embark on new educational adventures together.